Hi parents and my math class. This is my last video and I wanted to say goodbye to you, but before I do, I just wanted to talk about some things that I know you all remember in our math class. So first of all, I remember that you would come in the door and you would put your homework, your math homework, in this box right here, okay? Another thing that I remember is that I would have student of the day, and there would be 2 of you, and you would get one of these stickers. And inside here is my math cupboard that has a lot of the stuff that we used for math, the clocks, and here are a lot of the wrap-ups and the little shapes that we would use for counting. I remember that. And here's my lesson things that I would do. Another thing I found was the songs that I kept track of. So here's one of the songs. Head, shoulders. So that was the 12s. 0, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 80. 0, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84. Okay, and then we had the song of the 7s, which is Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. 0, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84. That's the song of the 7s that we made up. Of course, we had the 3s because we talked about the song We Will Rock You. And we would clap on our desk and it got really loud, but that's okay. It didn't matter. So I'll try to clap while I'm singing it. So there it is. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39. That was a song of the 3s. And we had a song about counting by 25. We didn't do that too often. But there's 4 quarters and $1. So that's Twinkle, Twinkle also. 25, 50, 75, 100. 25, 50, 75, 100. That's what it sounds like when we count by 25. 25, 50, 75, 100. Amazing how these nursery rhyme songs work. Okay, and then another thing I wanted you to remember is who in the world is that? Okay, we were learning about dollar signs. So when we have cents that are over $1, you need to put a dollar sign. Okay, when it's 100 pennies, 10 dimes, it's a dollar sign. And then another thing I was going to talk about, sometimes we got to play with games when you did all of your homework. Sometimes here's some more of the games on the shelf. Here's the books that you would read when you would get done with your test. Oh, by the way, these are all the bags for my students. Your bags are in your classrooms that you get next week. Here's some more math that we have. Let me see. Oh yeah, here's some more math stuff over here, you know. The wrap-ups, remember those? And the room is crazy because all the desks are put back. And we did Imagine Math. I remember that. There's a password for Imagine Math. And can't remember what the other one's called. What was that other one called? Anyway, you guys know more than I do. This is where I've been making my math lessons for all these weeks. Other thing I wrote down was, oh yeah, okay, we had this. Do you remember this? This was the name of the Just Dance songs. If you were student of the day, we would have a break and you got to pick which song you wanted to do. So there was songs on the back. Anyway, I remember doing all of that. That was really fun. So another thing that we did, remember the kids that would sit at the round table? So there would be kids that would sit at the round table, and what was that lady's name? Oh my gosh, my brain can't remember. Oh yeah, Mary. That lady's name was Mary. She sat there. What else? Oh yeah, I wrote down some more things. Oh, a couple of times when you guys turned out in all of your homework, we went out to recess. And I remember the kids who didn't do their homework, they had to sit on the curb and do their homework while the rest of you got to play. And then we did singing the songs of the sevens. We did exercises when we would count. Sometimes we would do push-ups or, run in place. And I remember reading books when you would get done with the test. Oh, there was another thing that we did. Look at that, the 5 parade. So we would get in a parade or line behind each other, and we would count by 5s. So let's do it. Okay. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And then we would go backwards. 100, 95, 90, 85, 80, 75, 70, 65, 60, 55, 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, 0, blast off. Well, anyway, I remember doing all of that with you guys. I miss you, and you guys got to come see me next year. I hope you have a good summer. We all never knew that this was going to happen. Anyway, I love all of you. It was really fun being your teacher. So I hope you have the greatest summer, and that, you get to go swimming. Don't do any math homework, okay? Wait till next year. Hopefully things will be normal again. Okay, well, I love you, and thanks to all of your parents who helped you. Don't forget to thank your parents for helping you with math, because you couldn't have done it without them. Okay, well, I love you so much. Okay, I'd give you all a hug and a kiss if I could. Well, have a good summer, and see you next year. Love you, Mrs. Frey.